Hey guys, what's going on? Cody from Vapes Easy here, and I got a new video for you today on something that's not necessarily new, but something that's still pretty cool. So not new, pretty cool. This is a new series that we got. I just made it right now. So strap in, grab a bucket of popcorn, and prepare yourselves for the greatest 1 minute and 45-second video you've ever seen in your life. That's what we're gonna make it, exactly on the dot. So this is the Mi-Pod Rave Edition. So this is a Plur. They've styled these out to Plur, which is peace, love, unity, and respect. Peace, love, unity, respect for all you EDM peoples. I'm losing them. So we've had the Mi-Pods before. I just wanted to show you the colors on these real fast. And yeah, our camera is probably like, it's literally powered off of a potato, but hopefully you'll be able to see the difference in the colors on these. Of course, this device comes standard with 2 pods, a charge port, your user manual. You get some stuff that tells you how to fill said pods, and then you get a pretty dope lanyard down in there. So you got that, and then you got this lanyard right here that has like Me1 on it and all that good garbage. So these are the different colors here. So they're all like very shiny and like acid filled and all that good stuff. But that's a new product that's not necessarily new, but is pretty cool. That's really what I've got for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and be sure to get back to you. 145!